Hello students, in this video we are going to see some numerical problems on solid state from crystals, the edge length and radius of crystals. So on the basis of this we are going to solve some problems. Let's solve. A crystal has BCC arrangement. The edge length of the unit cell is 400 picometers. Calculate the interionic distance of the cell. This is the problem. Now here we have the BCC crystal, BCC arrangement. We know for BCC, for a BCC crystal, radius R is equal to A into root 3 upon 4. That is equal to the A edge length given here is 400 picometers. So 400 into root 3 upon 4. That is equal to 4 and 400 cancel, so you have 100 root 3. Okay, so 100 into root 3. Now what we have to find is the interionic distance, that is D. D we have to find. D is equal to what? We know that R, radius R is equal to D upon 2. So 2 into R. So D is equal to 2 into R. So therefore we can find D is equal to 2 into, we already have R is equal to 100 into root 3, 100 into root 3. So you can take calculator and you can find out. So that is root 3 into 100 into 2. So that is equal to, we have the answer here, 346.4 picometer, 346.4 picometer. So this is the interionic distance of the cell. So I hope you understood this. So first of all we have to understand the crystal is BCC. So we write for BCC the radius R is equal to A root 3 upon 4. This formula is applied. Once you have radius value, then you can find the interionic distance. Now the second question, we have another question here. The next question is, an atom has a radius of 75 picometers. The lattice is of BCC type. It is BCC type. Find its edge length. So the crystal is again BCC. It is BCC type. So what is the formula for BCC? R is equal to A root 3 upon 4. A root 3 upon 4. This is the formula for radius for a BCC crystal. Now we have the value straight, so we can straight away substitute. A, the radius is given here. Radius is given as 75 picometers. A we have to find, no? Find the edge length A. So A into root 3 upon 4, or what you can bring 4 this side, 75 into 4 is equal to A into root 3. In other words, A is equal to, what is A? A is equal to, bring root 3 to the other side. So 75 into 4 upon root 3. So now you can use your calculator. So have 75 into 4, that is equal to, divided by root 3 is equal to, you have the answer 173.2 picometer. So this is what you get from your calculator. So answer is here. So you can calculate the edge length from here. You have the radius, you have calculated the edge length out of it. It's very simple, straight formula, straight substitution, and you got the answer. Now we'll go to another question. We have another question here. Here we have, an atom has a radius of 480 picometers. It is the radius of the atom, which is 480 picometers. It crystallizes. If it crystallizes as FCC, face centered cubic crystal, calculate the edge of the unit cell. Now for FCC we are calculating what is given. What is given is radius is given. Now what is asked, we have to find the edge length of the unit cell. Now for FCC, a radius r is equal to a upon 2 root 2. Yes or no? So this is the formula. Radius r is equal to a upon 2 root 2. So that is equal to, now what is given, radius is given 480. So 480 picometers, that is equal to a upon 2 into root 2. In other words, a is equal to 480 into 2 into root 2. So once you multiply, you have the answer. You can take your calculator and check this. So 480 into 2 into root 2. Yeah, that's equal to, you have 1357.6450. So this is also there. So picometers. So this is the edge length of the crystal. So I think this problem also is very clear, because it is very simple, and formula is there, straight substitution. Once substituted, you calculated the value. Another question, we have a fourth question here. This question, an element crystallizes into face centered cubic lattice, that is FCC. It is FCC. The edge of the cell is 620 picometer long. That is edge length, that is A. A is equal to 620 picometers. Find the nearest neighbor distance, means D. We have to find D here. And the radius of the term, both D and R is asked. For FCC, D is equal to, the formula is A upon root 2. So what is given? The edge of the cell is given. So you can straight away calculate, edge is 620 divided by root 2, that's equal to, can use your calculator now. So 620 divided by root 2 is equal to, you have the answer, 438.406. so picometers. So this is the inter-ionic distance between the two ions in the crystal. The next part is the radius. Now radius r is equal to, we know, d upon 2. But straight away you can divide this. D already you have, 438.406 divided by 2. What is the answer? If you divide this by 2, 219.203 picometers. So this is also calculated. So straight dividing. So this way you can calculate problems related to edge length, and you can also find the inter-ionic distance, so and also the radius of the atom. So all this can be calculated using this formula. So I hope you understood. Thank you children for watching. I hope you understood this, and you can watch this video again if you want to understand it better, and you can subscribe this channel so that you will get to know my upcoming videos. Thank you.